Hi, Nevlin. Mr. Askelson here. It is Monday, April 6, 2020, day one of week 2 of distance learning. I hope this video finds you and your family all well. We've got another big week ahead of us, and so let's get started and see what we're going to be doing today. Hi, fourth graders. This is day one of week 2 distance learning, and we're going to look at our matrix and see what we're going to be doing in math today. It says your little sister has been saving money for a year now. She wants to take it all to the bank and trade it in for dollar bills. Create all of the different combinations of coins that could make $1. Counting coins is tricky. You have to count by 25s, you have to count by 10s, by 5s, by 1s. You have to identify the coins. And it can be real easy to get mixed up on what you're counting, where you left off, when do I switch. So I've got a little strategy for you to try today. I think it really helps in counting coin because it kind of simplifies all the counting into just counting by 5s. This is one chart that we use in first grade to help the first graders remember how to skip count by 5. But all you're really going to be doing is just skip counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, all the way on up to however high you need to count. This strategy sounds kind of funny, but it's called hairs on a coin's head. And it takes away some of the guesswork, I guess you could say, of which one am I counting and do I count by 5s or 10s or 25. This one, all you do is count by 5s. So each coin needs hair, and each hair stands for 5 cents. Now the penny can't have any hair, so we put a dot over his head, or Abraham Lincoln's, to stand for 1. Once you put hairs on your coins, count each strand of hair by 5, and then add any pennies on at the end. So you can see a quarter counts as 25. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So each quarter would get 5 lines drawn on it. Dime counts as 10, or made up of 2 5s, so it gets 2 lines, 5, 10. The nickel counts as 5 cents, and just 1 line. So it kind of simplifies, like I said, you're counting by 5s and then you count the pennies at the end. So here is a little practice sheet, and let's see if we can count up these coins. Step 1, identify the coins that you're going to be using. And I see a quarter, a dime, a dime, a dime, a penny, a nickel, a quarter, a nickel, and a penny. If we look back, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the pennies. So I see 2 pennies, and I'm going to draw a dot there, and I'm going to draw a dot there. The next coin I'm going to identify is the nickel, and if you remember, a nickel counts as 5, so you draw 1 line on each nickel. Here's a nickel, and there's a nickel. The next one is the dime, and the dime could be made up of 2 5s, so it gets 2 lines. There's a dime, there's a dime, and there's a dime. And the last thing I have to identify is the quarter, and the quarter could be made up of 5 nickels, so I'm going to draw 5 lines on the quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my second quarter right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've got all my coins identified, and all I have to do now is count by 5s. And it doesn't really matter which coin you start with. Normally we say start with the highest coin first, which is the quarter, and count your way down. This, it really doesn't matter. I can start anywhere. In fact, I'm going to start right here and start counting by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. And I end up seeing that I have 92 cents here. To me, it simplifies it. I worry less about, am I counting correctly by 25s? Did I get the 10s and the 5s right? Did I forget any coins? It just makes it easier. So hopefully this is a strategy you can use as you're working on your matrix lesson today, of trying to find 5 different ways, or maybe all the different ways, that you can combine coins together to make $1. Practice your math, work hard. Hope you have a nice day.